What's up everyone? I will show you how to fix Messenger call sound problem. So, directly open your settings of your device, click on apps option, search for Messenger and click. Here, scroll this list down little, click storage option and click clear cache. You go back now, click add for stop and click OK. You go to Play Store or App Store, update Messenger, restart here your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.